September 2022, we have Puistokaari, Parksvängen. 15 stegsteg för 15 stegsby here. It's here in Lauttasaari, Tromsø, close to Koivusaari, Björkholmen metro station here in Helsinki. Helsingfors, Uusimaa and Finland with 4 floors. Amazing, original, except the panel of the back wall, the metal plate was changed here.
Yeah.
This XB is original. It was built in 1959, turned 60 years old in 2019. This here is H8252. So here there is something from the late 1950s also.
Yeah.
Not only the beginning of 1960s. There's 3 rights. I should have been inspecting in 2018, it's delayed. That's the MP6 interior.
Mm.
That's why it was probably finished in late 1959.
Inspected by Inspected maintained by Kone.
No, the inspection is delayed by 4 years.
Yeah.
That's it, thank you very much for watching today's video, where I also from the phone.
That's